Hi. It's been over 100 days since the start of this Russian military operation. And since that time, every video I've taken has either been shot indoors or outdoors, but within the parameters of my property. So you know what? Screw it. I'm going to take my camera now, get in my car, show you one of our parks downtown. Let's go. Well, right now I'm just walking from one church to another. I'm like walking through this small park. And for those of you that don't know, over there, it's a Russian police vehicle. It's a Russian vehicle called a Patriot, kind of all-wheel drive thing. And on the side it says Policja. Okay, here I'm just approaching another portion of the park where there's rides, or as they would say in Russian, attractions. I think from here you can see the pedestrian bridge. And I think on one of my very first episodes, I filmed myself walking towards this bridge, and I was doing my usual walking like a duck. The footage was barely usable. Hopefully now with this stabilizer, it'll be better. Well, let me go down the stairs. Here we come towards the pedestrian bridge. I'm going to just go halfway across it. I just have a few things I'd like to photograph from up here on the bridge. Also, I hope the sound is okay. It's quite windy today. I have a dead cat over my microphone, and I just hope it's working well. And here I am next to the river. All kinds of activity going on. There's a fella down there fishing. Ducks everywhere because they're getting fed. So ducks seem nice, but they make a mess out of the water. Some young family down there. People just enjoying themselves. Lots of ducks. Well, when you're walking around my city, one thing that you notice near the center especially is there are just beautiful churches everywhere. Seems every direction you turn your head there's another beautiful church or cathedral. Right now it's early and it's before 10 o'clock in the morning down here on this riverside path, so there's hardly anybody down here. The day is just spring morning. It's pretty nice. I have a light windbreaker on right now, and frankly I could take it off, but then I'd have to carry it, so I'll leave it on for now. Again, nice churches. Okay, now we're coming up to a bee. A bee is kind of a symbol of the city. I mean, I know they sell nice honey here, but it's also supposed to be representative of the people being hardworking and industrious. Don't know if I've seen that, but so they say. Okay, here I am near the city center. Name of the street is Sovietskaya. Seems like all main streets are Sovietskaya or Prospekt Lenina. Over there we have the university where one of my two daughters would like to go, which is State University. Something I do like here is the buildings are all rather low. There's no real tall buildings. And the colors are all mostly like pastels. Some of them need some work, you know. So, but maybe a little grubbiness gives it some character. Here is McDonald's. Gone forever from Russia now. Oh, I waited so long to see you here originally, but if you want to leave for good, see you and good riddance.